Okay, hello, remote teachers. This is going to be short and sweet. We have solved the problem of having to give subs that we don't even know our Google usernames and passwords because I was worried about that. I do have a lot of stuff. My whole life is in Google. Okay, so if you go to your Google Classroom, so here's my Google Classroom, and I'm going to my virtual Google Classroom right here, Miss Tingle's 5th grade. 2020, 2021. If you will click on people, I have 3 students and Miss Corbett. If you will go up to your teachers and click the little invite teachers, I am going to add my 5th grade remote counterpart, Miss Dukes. And as soon as I invite her, now she'll get an email and she will have to accept that invitation, which she will. In fact, I'm also going to move Sherry Corbett and I'm going to put her up here as well. Sherry Corbett, and I'm going to invite her. And I'm going to I'll remove her as a student. Okay, why did I do that and why does that matter? It matters because if you're absent and you have to have a sub or your virtual students are left without you, well, your counterpart, in my case, Amy Dukes can get on my virtual classroom now because she's already a teacher. She doesn't have to have my username. She doesn't have to have my password. She doesn't have to have access to literally every Google thing I have. I don't really want a sub to have access to my Google Photos and my Google Slides and my Google Sheets and my Google email and just, the millions of things that we have in our Google accounts. So this way, Amy Dukes, being a teacher in my Google Classroom, she can get on Google Classroom. She can type a message, hey guys, Miss Tingle, she's out today. She is sick. You need to go to your subfolder. Well, what in the world does that mean, subfolder? Guys, if you will go to classwork, you can create these topics. Like I created a topic called Virtual School Basic. I've got just 2 little things in there. But if you click on the Create button, go to Topic. And your topic can be whatever you want it to be, but I can call it, oh, no, Mrs. Tingle is absent. Add. And this is the folder. Look, there it is. This is the folder where your students will go if you're ever absent that day. If your counterpart, like in my case, Miss Dukes, gets on and provides a message in stream that says, hey guys, this is Miss Dukes, this is Dukes, Tingle is sick, go to subfolder and get busy. So she can take care of this pretty quickly and the kids can read that and they can go to their classwork, they can go to the subfolder, and then of course I will have things in the subfolder. How do you put things in that topic? You put things in the topic, same way, create. Maybe you're going to have material and you're going to put some material there and it's called, whatever you want to call it, material. When you come over here to the right side, you have to put it in that topic you want it to be in. Oh no, Miss Tingle is absent. Put it in that topic and when you click post, bam, you're going to see it there under that topic. So you can have a topic for math, you can have a topic for reading. Having those topics helps things be more organized. Okay, hope this helps.